This is a video to show you how to um, use and customize your personal meeting link from Zoom. Perhaps you want to use a single Zoom room across multiple courses that you're teaching. You might also be interested in planting a Zoom room link in your signature file in your emails, which is a great practice if you use Zoom. So here we go. First thing that you would want to do is come to this website here, which is apps login page for Zoom. The way into Zoom without being in an As You Learn course and planting it in a specific course. So this is appstate.zoom.us. And you would just log in with your normal AppState credentials. The first page that you come to is the page that's going to list all of your standing Zoom rooms if you have any, or Zoom links. You can also schedule a new meeting from this page. But the top tab on this left-hand menu is called My Profile, and you'll see that the first thing in here is a personal meeting ID, and that is a standing ID that belongs to you only. And you can also customize that to whatever number you would like. This was not the number that I got when I first came to this website to check out my profile. I've customized this to my personal phone number, my office phone number, so that I can remember the number easily. And so I click Save Changes here, and I'm going to grab that link by just copying it and Control-Cing that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my course. This is one of my development courses. And you'll notice that in this course, I already have a couple of standing Zoom rooms. And those are Zoom rooms that I planted by turning the editing on for this course. And then adding an activity or resource and planting a Zoom meeting right here. If I clicked on that and clicked add, I would add a meeting just like this. And those instances of Zoom rooms are unique to that course. But instead of that, we're going to plant a URL in here that I could also use to plant in other courses so that if students wanted to conference with me and I wanted to be available in just one room all the time, that would be possible. So I scroll down to the bottom of that same activity or resource list. I choose URL. I click add, and I'm going to take that, that Zoom room personal link that's still on my clipboard and just Control V that in. And I'm going to call this Zoom office for conferencing, something like that. All right, then I'm going to click Save and Return to Course. And you'll notice by the icons over here that this is a URL or a link rather than a unique Zoom instance like these two are that belong only to this course. Okay, and you'll see that if I click on that, it's going to behave in exactly the same way that the others do, except that it's a Zoom room instance that I can share in other courses as well. And I've got my camera covered over here. But so it behaves in exactly the same way. All right. Um, uh, the other thing you might want to consider doing is going to your email, and you'll notice if we look at this email that I have here, if I click on these three dots here, you'll see my signature file, and at the bottom of my signature file is my Zoom room link. And so anyone who gets an email from me has my personal Zoom room link. It is my standing personal Zoom room. So all I have to do if someone needs some help with something is let them know, hey, jump into my Zoom room link from any email that you have from me and I'll meet you in there in 3 minutes kind of thing. The way that you would do that is you'd go up here to your gear wheel from anywhere. You can do it from within an email, or you can do it from your sort of inbox. Is click on this gear wheel and click settings. And then if you scroll down, of course, you probably know how to set up your signature here. You're going to do this just like you would do anything else. You're going to put in the text that you like here. I put in, and then I would add my link here to this page. All right, and then click Save Changes. I didn't change anything, so it's not offering me that right now, but I'm going to click Cancel. And that's how I got to having my personal Zoom room planted in all of my emails. Hope that's helpful. Thanks.